Some days just call for something sweet and comforting. Today we're making a date, Jaggery, and pecan cake. Not only is this cake refined sugar-free, we are also making it healthier by using whole wheat flour. We start with dates and jaggery. This is what gives the cake its deep, rich sweetness. Add hot milk and pure vanilla extract. Soak for 30 minutes. Then blend everything into a smooth and glossy paste. Here's everything you'll need. Date and jaggery paste, chopped and toasted pecans, butter and ghee, corn flour, salt, baking powder, whole wheat flour, and eggs. Sift whole wheat flour, corn flour, baking powder, and salt and set aside. To the date and jaggery mixture, add the butter and ghee and beat until fully combined. Next, add the eggs and beat until fully incorporated. I added 2 eggs at a time. Don't worry if it looks slightly curdled at this stage. It comes together beautifully once we add the flour. Next, add the flour mixture and pecans. Fold everything together slowly, just until combined. Pour the batter into your prepared pan. And top it with more pecans for that beautiful finish. Bake until your home smells warm, nutty, and inviting. That's when you know it's ready. Cool completely before you slice. I know it's hard to wait. This is one of those cakes, simple, wholesome, and deeply comforting. Perfect for quiet moments or sharing with someone you love. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more comforting bakes like this. And save this for a day you need something warm and sweet.